Today I am going to teach about the internal iliac artery. Common iliac artery divides in front of the sacroiliac joint into the external and internal iliac artery. Okay, so this one is the common iliac artery and divides into the external iliac and the internal iliac artery in front of the sacroiliac joint. The internal iliac artery passes down into the pelvis. At the upper margin of greater sciatic foramen, it divides into the anterior and posterior divisions. Okay, at the upper margin of the greater sciatic foramen, it divides into anterior and the posterior divisions. This posterior division supplies to the posterior abdominal wall, posterior pelvic wall, gluteal region. Coming to the anterior division, which it is supplies to the pelvic viscera, perineum, gluteal region, adductor region of the thigh, the fetus through the umbilical arteries. Coming to the branches of the anterior division of the internal iliac artery. First branch, that is the umbilical artery. It gives the superior vesical artery. Its distal fibrous part of this artery fibrous, that is the medial umbilical ligament. Okay, proximally it gives the superior vesical artery, distally which it is converted into medial umbilical ligament. Coming to the second branch, obturator artery, which it is supplies to the pelvic muscles and also the muscles of medial compartment of thigh, and it gives nutrient artery to the ileum. Okay, so this is the second branch. Next, coming to the third branch, that is the inferior vesical artery in male. It supplies the prostate, inferior part of the bladder and the seminal vesicle, and it also gives the artery to the vas deferens. Fourth branch is middle rectal artery. It supplies the seminal vesicle, prostate, in female vagina and also the inferior part of the rectum. Coming to the fifth branch, internal pudendal artery. It leaves the pelvis through the greater sciatic foramen, enters into the perineum by passing through lesser sciatic foramen. Finally, it enters into the pudendal canal with the pudendal nerve, supplies to the anal canal musculature and also the skin and muscles of the perineum. Okay, so internal pudendal artery supplies to the anal canal musculature and also the skin and muscles of the perineum. Coming to the sixth branch is that inferior gluteal artery, supplies to the pelvic diaphragm, piriformis, quadratus femoris, upper hamstrings, gluteus maximus and sciatic nerve. Coming to the seventh branch, that is the uterine artery. In female, it crosses the ureter superiorly. It ascends in the layers of broad ligament of uterus. It ends by anastomosis with the ovarian artery. Okay, so uterine artery. Next, coming to the eighth branch, that is the vaginal artery. In female, it divides into vaginal branch to the vagina, inferior vesical artery to the urinary bladder. These are all the branches which are arising from the anterior division of internal iliac artery. Okay, so this is the diagram showing that branches from the anterior division of internal iliac artery. Here this one is umbilical artery, proximally superior vesical artery, distally this one is the medial umbilical ligament, and here obturator artery, this one is the inferior vesical artery, this one is the internal pudendal artery, this one is the middle rectal artery. These are all the branches of anterior division of internal iliac artery. Visceral branches in female by the vaginal artery and uterine artery. Already we discussed about these branches. Okay, so this is the uterine artery and here vaginal artery. Coming to the branches of posterior division of internal iliac artery. These are 3 in number. First branch is the iliolumbar artery. Iliolumbar artery, which it is supplies to the psoas major, quadratus lumborum, iliacus and cauda equina. Iliolumbar artery gives branches to the psoas major and supplies to the quadratus lumborum, iliacus and cauda equina. Second branch, that is the lateral sacral artery, supplies to the piriformis, erector spinae and skin over the sacrum. Third branch, superior gluteal artery, supplies to the piriformis, gluteal muscles, tensor fascia lata. These are all the branches of posterior division of internal iliac artery: iliolumbar, lateral sacral and superior gluteal arteries. Okay, so this is the diagram showing the branches of posterior division of the internal iliac artery. So here this is the going upwards, this one is iliolumbar artery, this one is the lateral sacral artery and this one is the superior gluteal artery, Okay, so this is about the internal iliac artery. Thank you.